Today we're talking about 10 tips on starting your YouTube channel in 2020. So as a smaller YouTuber myself, I thought that maybe I shouldn't be making this video, but I have been on this platform for about 2 years now, and there are definitely a lot of tips that I've learned and that I really want to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So number one tip I've learned and I think is really important is audio trumps video. And when I first started my channel, I really didn't understand the importance of audio, and I really thought audio was secondary and something I didn't really need to prioritize in my videos. But the reality is that a lot of people will forgive you for having slightly bad video quality, but won't really forgive bad audio. So just realize that audio is super important, and that's why I really recommend having a mic as well. You can find a lot of cheaper mics on Amazon. It doesn't have to be a really expensive mic. Any type of external mic will do wonders for your video. My second tip for you guys is to remember that lighting is your best friend. Lighting is going to change so much about your video depending on what kind of mood or aesthetic you want. So I really do love natural lighting. This is why I always film right next to my window over here, but I also use artificial lighting at the same time. So I have one here and one behind the camera to kind of just fill in the dark areas of the video. While I do think you can film in natural lighting, I think having both natural and artificial lighting combined can make for very nice lighted videos. So my third tip for you is to provide structure within your video. Even if it's a vlog, there should be some type of story, a beginning, middle, and end. And storytelling does go a long way within your videos, and it's something that I'm definitely trying to learn myself as well. My fourth tip for y'all, and I think this one is really important, is that you don't need super expensive camera equipment to start. So in the beginning, when I first started my channel, this was my main priority. I wanted to get the latest camera that was out, the best lighting equipment, the newest microphone out. But over time, I realized it's really just about learning about the equipment you already own. So for example, I'm shooting on the Canon 60D right in front of me. And of course, in the beginning, I did not know how to use the camera at all. But over time, I started to learn how to use it and found out that I could get really good results with a pretty cheap basic camera. And trust me, you don't need really expensive camera equipment to produce really good quality videos. My fifth tip for y'all is to remember that it takes a lot of time and practice. In the beginning, it's just natural to have a lot of bad videos and to make a lot of mistakes in your videos. Currently, I have about 75 videos I created on my channel. And if you looked back on my much older videos, you would just realize how bad the quality is. And not saying that my videos now are amazing, but I definitely think I have improved with my video quality, my audio quality, my camera presence, and it really just took time and practice. The next tip is again more of a mental tip, and it's really just to be your own cheerleader. It could get a little bit discouraging if you're putting all this work and you're not really seeing the results that you thought you would get, but like with anything, you just need to push through it and just remember why you started this in the first place. Now my next tip for y'all is to do your research. The somewhat ironic thing about starting your YouTube channel is that with everything that you want to learn, you could literally find it on this platform. So just make sure that you're doing your research. Research the equipment that you have and how to use it better. Learn about SEO, learn about keywords, why they're so important. Learn about click-through rate and why the title and thumbnail mean so much for your video. My next tip is to not compare yourself to the bigger channels on YouTube, like the YouTubers with millions and millions of subscribers. Just remember that they also started from zero. Maybe they got like a lucky viral video, but that also doesn't mean that that can't happen to you if you put in the work. So just don't expect to blow up when you start your channel. I really think it's important to treat it like a new business. Most new businesses don't see profits within the first 6 months to a couple of years. And if your channel is slowly growing like mine, be happy with the process and with the progress that you've seen so far. So my last tip for y'all is to just be patient and put in the work. And if this is something that you're really passionate about, it won't really feel like work anyways. Just remember that really good things come with time and the results will be worth it. So I hope these tips help some of you guys out. If you found them helpful, please hit that like button. Don't forget to comment below and subscribe for future videos. And I hope to see you guys in my next one.